Hey everyone, I'm Rachel.
And I'm David.
And these are our favorite things to do in New York City. Let's go! New York City has no shortage of iconic landmarks and unforgettable experiences. But today, we're taking you through our favorite things to do in New York City. From live theater to late night cake slices, here's what we keep coming back for.
First up, we always have to see at least one show while in New York City. We packed 6 shows into 5 days on our last trip, and honestly, we'd do it again in a heartbeat. If you love live theater, even a little bit, there's truly no better place.
Broadway is pure magic. We saw Maybe Happy Ending with Darren Criss, who won Best Actor in a Musical at the Tonys this year, and it was well deserved. The musical was funny, tender, futuristic, and absolutely heart-wrenching. Definitely a highlight of our trip. Just in Time with Jonathan Groff was such a fun, jazzy tribute to Bobby Darin, I don't think I stopped smiling the entire time. And The Outsiders, which won Best Musical last year, gave us chills.
There's a show for every taste and every budget. But heads up, most shows don't run on Mondays, and weekend matinees can sell out incredibly fast. So definitely do your research.
You can grab tickets directly from the show's official website or use something like todaytix.com. But before you buy, please check your seats on aviewfrommyseat.com. We booked the second row of the mezzanine for Maybe Happy Ending thanks to my research, and we were so glad that we did. The front row of the balcony at the Belasco has a railing that totally blocks the front part of the stage. Also, don't forget to pick up your playbill and maybe a souvenir cup. A lot of theaters offer them as a free souvenir if you grab a drink at the bar. And if you want a show with a different kind of stage, NYC's concert scene is unbeatable. We saw Hugh Jackman at Radio City Music Hall, and the acoustics were breathtaking. The iconic lobby is absolutely gorgeous, and there isn't a bad seat in the house. No matter the venue, seeing a show in New York is sure to be an unforgettable experience. Now, if you're a theater lover, or even just a history nerd, you have to visit the Museum of Broadway. It's right near Times Square on 45th Street, and I love it so much I've visited multiple times.
They walk you through the history of Times Square and Broadway using real costumes, props, and set pieces. You'll see artifacts from Phantom of the Opera, Rent, The Lion King, and way more. They also have a rotating exhibit, so you'll always see something new no matter when you go.
But what I love the most is how much they spotlight the unsung heroes of the stage: writers, lighting designers, makeup artists, and so many more. You get a full look behind the curtain. There are fun photo ops all over, and you should budget about 2 to 3 hours for the full experience. Tickets are around $45 for a scheduled time slot, but you can pay a little more for flexible entry. And the gift shop is incredible, with items for sale from present and past Broadway shows. The Museum of Broadway is one of my favorite spots that I make sure to visit every time I'm in the city.
If you want to be entertained but don't want to see an entire show, Ellen's Stardust Diner is a must. It's a 50s themed diner right on Broadway and 51st. And the waitstaff, called Stardusters, sing while they serve.
I mean, your server might literally hand you a milkshake mid-belting, defying gravity. We've even seen a server get a call from their agent mid-performance. It's chaotic in the best way. The food is classic diner fare, but it's really tasty, especially the all-day breakfast and desserts. Service can be slow since they're, doing full-on performances between orders, but it's totally worth it.
Just know they automatically add a 20% gratuity, and there's also a tip bucket that supports their dance, voice, and acting lessons. Bring a few dollars. It's a fun way to give back. Ellen's Stardust Diner doesn't accept reservations, but we think the delicious food and fun atmosphere make it a must for any New York trip.
And if you want great food without the singing, you'll still eat well in Manhattan. Toasties is a great local chain for breakfast and lunch with reasonable prices. Carnegie Diner and Cafe has huge portions. And New York Bakery and Desserts? Their cake slices are next level and available 24/7.
Carmine's is one of our go-tos. It's a family-style Italian restaurant with giant portions, and it's perfect for groups. The Times Square location is always buzzing, and if you're in a rush, Little Italy Pizza serves up solid New York slices on the go in the heart of Times Square.
No matter where you want to dine, definitely make a reservation when you can, especially on the weekends. And keep in mind that most quick service spots let you order ahead using apps like Seamless. You really can't go wrong with a meal in Manhattan. Just make sure you check Google reviews or ask a local for a recommendation if you're unsure. But what would a trip to New York be without seeing the sights? Even though it's cliche, we love to explore even the most touristy spots when we're in the city. One great way to do that is to get a bird's eye view. Top of the Rock at Rockefeller Center gives you a breathtaking view of the skyline, and their rising platforms offer a unique perspective on the city.
Hop on, hop off buses are also great. For about $50, you can get a 2-day pass, skip the Ubers, and learn a little bit about the city along the way. Not only will you save some money and see the city, you'll save your feet.
If you're willing to splurge a little, there are small group tours that run about 5 to 7 hours for around $100 a person. They typically cover Central Park, the World Trade Center, and the main highlights of Manhattan. Local guides will always help you make the most of your time in the city. And if you're on a budget, don't overlook the Staten Island Ferry. It's completely free and offers gorgeous views of the Statue of Liberty.
Whether you're a first timer or you've been here a dozen times, New York always finds a way to surprise you. And these are the experiences we keep coming back to.
Thanks everyone for joining us as we did some of our favorite things to do in New York City. Obviously, there's so much you can do in this city, and we only scratched the surface. But we wanted to show you just kind of the highlights that we like to hit up every time we're here. From Ellen's Stardust Diner, where you can see people singing and dancing and then get served by them at the same time, to the top of the rock. We just love exploring New York City.
Yeah, there's so much to do in New York City, and honestly, you can come 20 times and still not get to do everything. Like, there's so many escape rooms I want to do. There's so many different sites I need to see still. I want to do more harbor cruises and things like that. So you're never going to run out of things to do in New York City. I love what we do. I have so much fun doing it with you, and I'm glad we get an opportunity to share that with these people.
Yeah, but what do you think? Have you visited New York? Do you have any items that we left off our list that you want to make sure people do next time they come? Or even that we do next time we come? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more travel content from us, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. But for now, I'm Rachel,
And I'm David.
and we hope this video helps you find the right direction for your next adventure.
Bye.
Bye!